Hello children, welcome back to your science class now. Students, in continuation of the chapter How Our Body Works, today we will do exercises that is given in the back of the chapter. Already I have explained all the internal organs. First I have started from external organs. Then internal organs I have completed one by one, explained you one by one. Today we will do exercises. So you take out your book, page number 32. A. First you will write down classwork and give date 15/7/20. A. Take the correct answer. Options are given here and you have to take the correct option. 1. Which is an internal organ? A. Head, B. Brain, C. Nose. Head, brain inside and nose. Which one is the internal organ? Yes, it is brain. So put a tick mark on B. Number 2. After we swallow our food, it goes into our 1. Brain, B. Lungs, C. Stomach. Where it goes? C. Stomach. When we eat food, it's swallow through what? Food pipe. Food pipe is also known as esophagus. Okay? So then it goes into stomach. So the correct option is C, stomach. B. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words given below. 1. The dash pumps blood to all parts of our body. All parts of the body. What will be? Fill in some which word is suitable? That is heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. 2. The dash helps us to think. Which organ helps us to think? Yes, it is brain. So you write down there brain. Next is 3. The dash helps us. No, there is help us. The dash help us to breathe. Which organ help us? That is lungs. So you will write lungs, Lungs. Box is also given. From box you will write. The lungs helps us to breathe. Number 4. Our body needs dash after work. What after works, after hard works, what should we do? We should take rest. So the answer will be rest. Fill in rest. REST. Right? Then only 4 is given. 4 filling the blanks is given. Afterwards I will give you more and true false is not given here. I will give true false inside the chapter, from the inside chapter. And now we will do value corner. Take the correct answer. Listen the question, the situation. Ritika plans to study the whole night for her next day exam. So her mother tells her to sleep so that she could get some rest. Ritika obeys her mother and decides to get up early in the morning, and thus sleeps on time. Ritika, what she plans? First, she plans to do to whole night. She will study whole night for her next exam. But when her mother tells to take some rest and sleep in time, she obeys, and then she plans it to get up in the early morning. Okay, so your question is, what do you learn from Ritika? The question is, what do you learn from Ritika? The options are A. Kindness, B. Respecting elders, or C is disobeying elders. She is obedient child. So what we will do? Which option is the correct one? Respecting elders. First she plans to study whole night. When her mother tells her that not to do so, she could get some rest. So she should sleep in time. And next, what she decides? She decided to get up early in the morning and then revise the chapters. So she obeyed her mother. So what type of child? She is obedient child. So B is the correct option, that is respecting elders. Okay students, respect your elders and try to follow what they advise you. Don't be disobedient. So the class ends here students. Tomorrow we will do more exercises. Goodbye.